Let's say we will remake this shot. We need to start with an AI image of the scene. In Google Gemini you can generate 100 text images for free per Google account. So once you're logged in Google Gemini you can write here which text you like to generate. So you want to create something like this. I wrote this prompt by myself. If you want to generate this prompt, make sure to check Make Image in Tools. Afbeelding maken means make image, so I generated this for you with a horizontal format, as we're on YouTube now. And this came out. Obviously it's not completely the same as my previous image, but that's logic. I noticed that the lemon girl doesn't have hair, as I didn't describe it in my text prompt. So what I can do is just make some adjustments. If I enter, give the lemon woman on the left long curly blonde hair, then it's going to do it. So again, select Make Image, and this came out. Okay, as a last step for this shot, we need to make this a video. I used Google VEO for it. You can find Google VEO in Google Flow. Click on Create with Flow, New Project. For each new Google account, you'll start with 150 credits, and after you've used them, your credits get reset to 50 every day if you've used them. Each video generation costs 20 credits. So you upload the image here. While it's uploading, we can already start writing the text. Let the person on the right say, "This newborn baby needs to go to school." Okay, we can write already to the start frame. And let's set to make sure the person on the right has a female voice. These are the settings. Then I generated it, and after some time this came out.
This newborn baby needs to go to school.
Obviously in the prompt you can also add the details like tone of voice and so on. Okay, once you ran out of credits, Adobe has partnered with Google VEO. If you make an account on Google Firefly, for each new account you get 3 free Google VEO generations a month. And this one doesn't give a watermark in opposition to Google Flow. I'll show you how it works. Go to Adobe Firefly. Then you'll need to log in or create an account. You can just continue with Google. Here we select Video, click More, and here we are in the menu, toggle on Audio. Here you can upload the generated AI image. And here you can choose between some partner models. For the rest it works kinda the same as in Google Flow. Okay, if you want a new scene with the same character, you can just upload your previous generation as a reference. So we are in Google Gemini here. The previous generation is uploaded here. And if we say make a new scene, place the person on the right in a classroom full with fruit babies, 16:9 ratio, then this comes out. And later I transformed it to this video in Google Flow. Okay, now comes the editing. I use DaVinci Resolve on desktop, which is completely free. I just place them here on the timeline. If you want to get rid of the watermark, you can just zoom in a little bit. Also popular in DaVinci Resolve is the color grading. If you decided to give Dehancer a try, you can find it here in Effects once downloaded, and there you have a lot of extra options to change the colors of these videos. When just wrecked, you can start from zero by disabling everything. So I will try to adjust almost every slider. And after 10 minutes or so, I went from this to this. So it's worth trying. The demo version is for free. If you're a professional video editor, I would recommend to purchase the lifetime license for whatever the software that you're using. If you're not a fan of one-time payment, you can also hire the license with annually or monthly billing. Okay, so like this you can make viral AI videos. Good luck, bye!
This newborn baby needs to go to school.